Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's TG and today it's another Watch Me Work.
Been chilling off this shit, but now I'm back at it. Say they ain't.
So this time I did my first sew-in. Hey, also too, by the way, this is like a week, 2 weeks later that I done did it, but I wanted to come and show like the basically, I guess you could say like the end result kind of, because I felt like in the clips I didn't really get a final look, because that's not how I wore my hair. I was just doing it the night before I had to go to the airport and stuff. But this is just after I had it flexi rod for about 2 days. I took the flexi rods out today, and this is how it is. They're really tight. The curls been holding all day basically. I'm gonna show the back. So this is with 2 bundles. Like I said in the video, next time I did learn that I am gonna be using 3 bundles, but I like how it looks. It looks really natural, and yeah, overall it's still cute. But it's my first time doing it, so I definitely learned. But I hope you guys enjoy. Peace and love. And also the hair. I didn't even say what hair I used either, I don't believe. Yeah, for my bundles, I used the Kiki Straight Bundles 26-inch Nadula hair. But overall, I love the bundles. I love the quality. I love the hair. And I definitely will be doing another sew-in once I take this one out to use the 3 bundles. But I'm going to let my hair breathe for a little bit. But next time, like I said, I will be using all 3. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love the way my hair turned out, and yes. This is my braid down that I did before sewing on the net. I did leave my perimeter out and did a middle part, but here's the net. This is 1 bundle double weft. Right here, I'm just putting the needle through the weft. You want to make sure if you're going to double weft, you want to make sure you're putting it through both of the wefts. And then right here, I'm just sewing underneath my foundation, just so if I was to flip my hair up, the leave out that I have will cover that, and you won't be able to see any braids or tracks, so it can just look natural as possible if I was to put all my hair up. I'm going to be using the clip to hold the track in place so I can start where I need to start at the sew, and just so I can just keep sewing to my end destination, so I won't have to keep holding the track. When securing my track, I am going through the loop that I am creating. So you'll see me go through the weft, and then I'll just go through the loop. That's before I tighten the weft. I'll just go through that loop to secure a knot each time. You can do every other time, but I go in between doing that and securing it every time. So just for extra security, this was my first sew-in. I wanted it to be secure as possible, honey. Right here is where you'll get that closer look of me actually sewing, honey. The hands were tired. They were through. But yes, you're gonna see me sew under the weft and then do a knot. So here I'm going under the weft, and then I'm gonna loop through right there to secure it. So it's a little tangle, but I got it. And I did a double knot this time, honey. So yeah, you can double, single. I typically was doing 1 to 2. This is after I sewed the first bundle. So now I'm going to be moving on to the second bundle. This hair was definitely really thick and full. This was before blow drying it or anything. So I did only use 2 bundles throughout this install, but I do wish I used 3. Next time I will be using 3, because after straightening and stuff, I just felt like it would have been way fuller if I just would have used 3. But before, while I was sewing it in, I'm just like, this is a lot of hair. So after I got that second bundle in, I'm just like, okay, I barely even wanted to use the 3rd, but I only just used like a track of the 3rd to like cover the top of my hair. I still basically have a full weft left. But next time I definitely will be using 3 bundles. Right here is where both of the bundles was sewn in, and as you can see, it definitely is a lot of hair, just only 2 bundles. I did need to fill that top end up there, as you can see. So that's what I'm basically gonna be using the little piece of the third weft for. But like I said, it's a lot of hair, so I barely even used the third weft, not even half of it. But yeah, it's definitely a lot of hair, but next time I will be using all 3 bundles.
Walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been
For my heat protectant, I did use the Dax pressing oil, and I really just felt like that made my hair too oily and stiff. So I recommend the BioSilk because I end up using that eventually later on, and I love the way that made my hair feel and just look overall. So I recommend the BioSilk, if anything.
I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been
I never straightened my hair. It's been years since I straightened my hair, so I had to do a quick little lift check.
Talking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been.
I'm so cozy. Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.